What I want to show you now is a plugin called WP Robot. Now, WP Robot isn't a free plugin. It's one that you have to pay for. This is their website, wprobot.net. The reason we like this is it's very, very powerful. You can post Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, YouTube, Yahoo Answers, etc., etc. And you can monetize these. Now, the first two you can monetize with your affiliate links, and these, of course, you can insert into AdSense or other adverts into. So very, very useful. But it can also do some rewriting of the posts as well. It could do tagging, custom post intervals, add some comments, and cloak links. It's not the cheapest piece of software, I will warn you that right now. It really isn't. However, it is very, very powerful. So again, which one you decide to go for will depend upon your needs. But you can see the full package is $170. I know it's not cheap, but as I said, it's very, very powerful. And if you're serious about making Autoblogs, then this is some software that you are going to need. So what we need to do first of all is we go to the options here within WP Robot. And you can see here you've got general options, post everything to published, randomize the time of the first post, randomize post times, you'd want to do that. You'd want to cloak affiliate links. Yes, you want to create tags. So it will pull the tags automatically from the posts. Now here you can have you put your Amazon options, your affiliate ID, the API key. You get these from Amazon. It'll tell you how there. So you can choose as well. If there's no description, you can skip the product. So that's quite useful. Do you want how much of a description? Put the full description on. Do you want a particular Amazon site? Post reviews as comments. Now that's very useful. And here you can sort of put a template in as to how you want the post to look. So very, very powerful. Again, articles, you can choose to pull articles. You can leave the formatting intact, or you can replace it, pick a language, and so on. And again, ClickBank, you can pull things from ClickBank. These are all based on keywords. eBay, again, Yahoo Answers, you can pull things from Yahoo Answers. So that's very good. You can pull videos from YouTube. You can Flickr pictures. You can buy modules to pull Yahoo News and RSS, or you can translate. I don't recommend using any of the translation options, simply because you can get a plugin that will do a much, much better job and integrate nicer with your website. So those are all the options available to you. So you can see you can post quite a lot here. If you go to probabilities, you can set the probability of what you want posting. So you can say, right, well, I'm mainly going to be working on Amazon products, so I want 80% Amazon, I want 5% articles, 5% ClickBank, 5% Yahoo Answers, I don't want any eBay, and I want 5% that. And what it will do is it will randomize it, so say 80% of the time you'll have Amazon, and then 5% you'll have the others. So it's up to you. This is useful for you because you can basically what you're doing is you're randomizing your blog. So if your particular site has lots of Amazon products, you may go for that. If there's nothing on ClickBank, you probably won't go for ClickBank at all. But if there's nothing on Amazon, you may take Amazon off. So it's up to you. Just make sure it all adds up to 100, and you'll be fine. So you can pick which one of these you want to, how often you want things to post. So that's very, very good for customizing it and really making it look good and making it unique. So this is one way of avoiding a footprint, is because what you can do is you can randomize the type of content on there. You may have no YouTube on one, you may have Yahoo Answers on another, or vice versa. You got bulk ad is an option down here. This is basically you can add a large number of keywords and pick which modules it's come from. You can see here that this is the format here for what you need to do. So you put your keyword, semicolon, the category, semicolon, how many hours or days, and then whether it's hours or days. So you can do that. Alternatively, if we just go to the main options here, we can put in keywords one at a time. So I could put in a keyword could be squirrel. You pick your category, post every 7 hours, what to post, any of those. You can search for particular categories in any of these, and then you add keyword, and then it will start posting to your blog for you automatically. Now this here is very, very useful. It's not the easiest thing to use. You need to go here to find the browse node. It's a little bit difficult. You've got to find the right department. It's not always clear. But the benefit of this particular part is that if I'm set up a site about, let's look at our Amazon categories, for example. If I've set up a site about jewellery, for example, or a subcategory of jewellery, I can create my page automatically, and what it will do is it will pull all the content from that category and put it into my blog. So I could pick my jewellery from here, and I can get the browse node ID from within that. So it maybe say it's engagement rings, and what it will do is it will just go through the whole engagement ring category and slowly but surely post it to my blog. Now this is a really, really good way of pulling content into your blogs, and I'm going to be honest, it's very, very powerful. It's I know it's an expensive tool, but it's one that's extremely effective when it comes to making money with Autoblogs. It's very, very powerful, very effective, and you can see you've got lots of options here of what you can post, and you can monetize, as I said, Amazon with your affiliate link, articles with AdSense, ClickBank. You can monetize it with obviously ClickBank ID, eBay, your eBay affiliate ID, and the rest all with Amazon with AdSense or YPN or any of the other types of posts. So very, very, very powerful. If you're really, really serious about setting up an Autoblog, then this is a tool that you really, really need. But what I'm going to do in the next video is show you another tool that's a little bit different. It's cheaper, it's not quite as fully featured, but it does some of this, and it's going to help you to create a Autoblog, particularly if you're aiming to create one and monetize it with AdSense. So I want to show you that next, but this is very, very useful and very powerful. It's called WP Robot, and the website's wprobot.net.